I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel and welcome to Makeup Wednesdays. This week we're doing easiest travel makeup look that you can do, which is this look that I'm having right here. And it can easily be dressed up or down, and if you want to know more, then keep on watching. So today we're doing the very easiest eyeshadow look that you can do whenever you are in a hurry or if you are on vacation and you need to take less makeup with you. Now ideally I do recommend having something like this, which is a cheek trio where you have the cheek, the highlighter, and the bronzer or contour, depending on what kind of a cheek kit you have. I do recommend having that, but if you don't have it, make sure you at least have your contour with you or your bronzer with you and a highlighter. And obviously blush is acceptable too, because it's a great eyeshadow color whenever you are traveling. So if you want to add pink, that is. But today we're going to focus on having the bronzer and highlighter as your makeup look. It can very easily be taken from day to night if you are planning on going out all of a sudden and you didn't think you packed the right kind of makeup or enough makeup. With this eyeshadow look, you just pop on some mascara during the day and then pop on some eyeliner for the night out, and you are ready to go and you look elegant, you look sleek, and it looks natural as well as a little bit of oomph, you know. I am going to be using my W7's Honolulu bronzer, and it looks like this, and I'm going to be using a small round brush, and so it looks like this. I do recommend using a soft brush for your eyes as it is thin skin, just to make sure it doesn't hurt your eyes. And I like using a soft brush so that I can move it a lot more and put the product where I want it to, because like I said, I want this specific look to be natural. Now obviously if you want it more dramatic, you add more bronzer to intensify the look. What you're gonna do is literally just put the bronzer in your outer corner, creating that half moon C motion going on. And so I like to just do it at an angle first to kind of know where I want the shadow to go. By the way, this is how you do any darker outer corner that is more simple and easy to do. Even a dramatic eyeshadow with darker outer corners, they are created this way. I'm just bringing it up into my crease. I'm not bringing it all the way forward because I don't want that for this look. You can obviously change up the look if that's what you want, because today it's about packing less products for your trip, but also if you're in a hurry or you're not into that much makeup and you don't want to own that much makeup, this is a trick I do every day except for the highlighter, because I just like to keep my eyelids very natural and not shimmery. And I like to bring it down to my lower lashes. And obviously the more you point it out or drag it out, the more dramatic it's going to be. I don't know if you can tell, but I like to put this above my crease as much as like in my crease, but then more towards the up, because I have enough of space to work with, and it's just gonna give me more eyelids and it's gonna give me shadow where I want the shadow to be. So always bring your eyeshadow to the crease and above the crease, because that's where you want to create the shadow. And then I just like to blend this out, and I'm just gonna take a fluffy brush like this one. This one is Royale Cosmetics Connections. It's almost faded, that's why it was hard to read. But I just like to blend it out because I don't like any harsh lines. Now, obviously, if I wanted more dramatic, I will not blend it as much as I did here, but I am going for the day version today, and if you wanted more dramatic, just intensify the color, just make sure you don't have any harsh lines. And so we want to go on with our highlighter. Now, if you cannot have a cheek kit, make sure that whenever you are having products with you on a travel, make sure they are really small like this, just because it makes it easier to pack, it takes less space. And I'm not talking about just how many liquids you can have, because I'm working with powders, and if you're packing powders in your carry-on, if that's the only bag you're bringing with you, then powders don't count as a liquid, so you can have as many as you want. But it's more about the space and the weight, and you don't want to pack too much, because I don't know about you, but whenever I travel somewhere, I like to bring souvenirs back or things that I liked. Even if I'm going to another city in my country, I like to kind of go shopping, buy things, you know. I live once and I like to live. Now you want to take a flat brush like this one, and you want to take your highlighter. Today I'm using the Makeup Revolution's Cheek Kit Take a Breather, and I'm using, because we're working with highlighter, I'm using this one right here, number 1. And I'm putting that on my eyelid, and I'm gonna put it at an angle up here and then all over my lid. This is just to add a little bit of sparkle, a little bit of shine, to make my eyes pop even more. It's not about color. You also want to bring just a little bit underneath your eyes, just in the inner corner, nothing more. Now, if you think you have a harsh line right here, you can easily just softly blend it by dabbing. Don't drag as much, because you might drag the glitter out, but just dab a little to give it that softer look if that's what you want. If you want to keep it harsh, like, you do you. But that is essentially the eyeshadow look that we're going for. And so I'm just gonna pop some mascara on, and the way I do my everyday mascara is I put only on my upper lashes, but if you want to put mascara on your lower lashes, you are welcome to do that. It's all about making this look personal and what fits your face, so you do you for that. And I'm gonna curl my lashes first. Now, like I said before, if you want to dress up this look, just pop on some eyeliner, wing it out, and it's more dramatic. You can intensify the color. You can use the pink blush on your eyelids or something like that. So yeah, the mascara, I'm using the Maybelline's the Colossal mascara. It's one of my favorites just because it is nice and fluffy brush, and it just makes your lashes like thicker and longer, even though I have long lashes. Then I'm going to set it with my Makeup Revolution Sport Fix that looks like this. So with that, we we are done for today, and if you liked the video, please leave a like and a comment down below. And if you want more content like this, then please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will be notified when I upload a video. I upload my Makeup Wednesday videos every Wednesday at 8 o'clock Norwegian time, which makes it about 3 o'clock New York time. And with that, I want to say thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!